Hello everyone. Once again, my name is Josef Prusa, and I've been designing and building 3D printers for almost 10 years since I was 19. When I finished my high school, I needed parts for my other project, and that's how I found out about it. I joined the RepRap project, which was started by Dr. Adrian Boyer at University of Bath, which is pretty cool as it's open source, self-replicating 3D printers, which is true to this day. This is our farm. And at the beginning, it was very hard and time-consuming to build it. And me, as a very lazy person, I decided to make it simpler. And eventually, I succeeded and shared my simplifications back to the community. And unsurprisingly, the other guys in the community were very lazy too, so they started to use my design over the previous one. And if you fast forward a couple of years, it became de facto standard of the desktop 3D printing. And to this day, the DNA of my first original design was, or is still in many commercial desktop 3D printers, and even in some semi-professional ones. I never thought that such a small innovation and improvements could have such a big impact on the industry like a 3D printing, and I never thought that it could bring the technology to so many more people who wouldn't have access to it otherwise. Anyways, a couple of years after, I started a company so I could work on it full time, because to this, before it was just a hobby. And it turned out pretty well. The company is named Průša Research, and it's the fastest growing tech company in Central Europe by Deloitte. With 350 people, we are making over 7,000 printers every month. Anyways, my goal for now is to make the 3D printing even simpler and easier to use for non-technical people. So I'm asking you, if you are using a 3D printer in your work or at your home and you find something difficult, please let me know so I can improve it for everyone. Thank you.